to take action, they went out begging them to allow us to move. I saw even Kwankwaso with them. They are shouting, they are calling us all sorts of names. They beg them at the end, they say they are going to escort us to the police headquarters. So we moved to the police headquarters. Even at the police headquarters in Bangkok, they were accusing chairman of our party. We called him to come to the Bangkok. When he was there, they tried to beat the chairman inside the police headquarters. That's why we are saying the CV is compromising, is selective. How comes a hoodlums enter into police command, accusing people, try to beat people inside the command? And if they say they didn't arrest the deputy governor, how come they put him inside the vehicle with the two police and they put him inside the behind the counter? You saw all the video, you pressmen have saw all that video. How come they put the deputy governor inside behind the counter in police station and they are saying they didn't arrest the deputy governor? What does that mean? They put him inside, they allowed these observers, these PDP people, taking his pictures. Where are the pictures showing deputy governor or commissioner for local government or chairman Nasara tearing result, since they have all the cameras?
It's a fundamental question.
So the people that rescue us are now accusing us of tearing result. Where are the videos? Where are the pictures?